Hello there folks, it's me, Fight2903, and today we have an unboxing. You probably hear music in the background, which is intended. And we're unboxing something that has, yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, okay, I'm trying to set my phone up. Do it this way. Alright. For me to celebrate getting hired in full time at my job. I've been debating on one of these for a while. So it's been about a year or so I've been debating on getting this or not. And I've decided to get one. The Apple HomePod Mini. This one's sealed. This was the white one. So we're doing an unboxing. And we're gonna, I'll do an unboxing and we're gonna set it up for you. Just see how it's set up. It's pretty simple actually. So we're going, I ended up with two of them because I want to try stereo and see how that sounds. If I'm not impressed with them, I would probably take them back. But it seems like they're pretty nice sounding. So, and I've been wanting one of these for a while. All right, so the unboxing, I've got a box cutter right here, guys. I'm here trying to open this up, and here I am just like, don't want to butcher the box too bad either, but there we go. But just enough. And hopefully we'll keep playing this royalty-free tune. Of course, we gotta smell the box. I did it on this other one too, so. Just saying. So the viewers on this camera will see it. Try this where I can see it here. The dramatic unboxing. This is the white one. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells like my first iPhone. So, of course, this is the HomePod Mini. Of course, it's got a USB-C cable. And the one you're hearing is a blue one. So, you can clearly hear that sounds pretty good. And surprisingly, you get an adapter, but we get the documentation booklets, get the USB, USB-C, yeah, I think that's right. Alrighty, so this is how many watts is this one? 20 watt power supply, so that's awesome. So now we gotta plug this in and set the other one up. So, hey Siri, pause the music. So, we're gonna do this. We're gonna set this up. I didn't want the music to interfere with this. The cord is like a ribbon type cord, you know, something like that. So now I gotta find a plug to plug this in too. And these will be moved to my room eventually. I'm gonna plug my phone. Just wire it up. So I'm about to use my phone for this other part, for the setup. But you just simply, it finds it, and then just simply do that. So, pair your phone to it and everything else. So, we're gonna switch the live viewers down here. Talk to you guys later.